What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be changing one of the motor mounts on the S2000. It's the passenger side. It went out about 3 or 4 months ago, but I've just been putting it off because they're freaking expensive and I've never swapped a motor mount. Scared to lift the motor and freaking crack it or something, or fuck something up. I've never replaced a motor mount in a car before, and this car is my daily, so I didn't want to mess it up and not have something to go to work with. Yeah, I'm finally gonna do it. I'm gonna go see if I have enough money, and then I'll go buy the impact gun, because I'm pretty sure, like, even though it's just 3 bolts, they're gonna be freaking hard to take off, and I want to strip them and make the job even harder and worse. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but that side of the car freaking vibrates like crazy. Like, even my door's making noise now. Freaking vibration. The shifter even moves when I'm driving. It just freaking goes like this.
3 hours later.
Remove those 2 bolts, and I have to remove this bolt right here, this one right here, and another one on the other side. You lift the motor just a bit, and then you wiggle the motor mount out, I guess. I didn't buy the impact gun. That thing was way too much. I probably honestly didn't even need it, because the size that I was going to buy it for, these bolts came off pretty easy. It's the smaller one, the what is it called? 3/4? 3/8? I don't know what I'm talking about. I loosened up one of those nuts, bolts from the motor mount. A little bit of WD-40. Those were pretty easy. These motherfuckers over here. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. Like, this whole top piece actually came off. Stuck right here. Now I gotta put it back in. This jump. Look at that. Came off. Okay.
This goes in here. This goes in there.
Alright, so the motor mount seemed to work. There's no more vibration inside the car. It sounds and it rides super smooth. Just a little bit dirty on me working on it, but anyways, I helped out Chino earlier today. We wrapped his car. So here's a sneak peek. Head on to his channel, check him out. I might be doing something on the S2. We still got one more day of filming. So if you want to see the wrapping progress, head on to his channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.